Oh, wakey wakey for me. Let me see what's in my mailbox. Hey, I got a pet dog. Let's see. Oh, you got this pet dog. It's so cute. Let me grab some bones. Who's a cute boy? Here, let me tame you. Yay! You got my pet dog! Yay! Hooray! Wait for me, little dog. I'm gonna go find some food. But first, let me take... Let's destroy that mailbox. And let's go continue. Finally! Pwede na ako bumalik sa aking bahay. Oh no! Where did my dog go? I have to find him. Doggy! Doggy! Oh, there you are, doggy. Let's go back inside. I'm gonna feed you some food. Let's go in there. Go, go. Let's go in there, okay? Boom. Okay, go in there. Oh, you want to eat? Okay. There you go. I feed you. Oh no, a skeleton spawned out of nowhere. Come on, kill him. Kill the robbery. Kill the robber. Yes. You did it, doggy. You want to eat food? Yes, I know you do. Come on, eat the food.